Hello everyone and welcome to section 4 of the Seacoast Wrap Knit Along. We are in the second to last section. We are almost complete with this. We have moved on fully from color and texture A that we started here in section 1, and we have moved fully into color and texture B that we started in section 3 and will continue towards the rest of the wrap. If you added rows to section 2 like I did, I added an additional 15 to use up more yarn. You will want to add the same number of rows now to section 4. So here is a side-by-side of the sample as well as my current work in progress. You can see that the current work is going to be a decent amount longer, judging by where the stripes in section 3 start. But I wanted to give you a visual of where we're at right now between the two. So, like I said before, we are going into section 4 of the shawl. This is using the same row that we worked with before. There are no changes there. Still in color B. And we are going to repeat this 37 times total. In my case, since I added 15 repeats to the rows in section 2, we are going to add an additional 15 here as well. So we'll start with the slip one. We will knit front back to do our increase, knit 2 to keep our border, and then we start the knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 pattern all the way across. Now I do want to show you this pattern a little bit up close so you can see it and get a good look at the texture. So you can see in here that we now, instead of having a row of that garter stitch ridge, we now have a diagonal row of our yarn overs, because that is continuing that bias pattern now instead of the texture stitches that we had in the first section. So we will continue doing that all the way across, and then once you get to the last 4 stitches here, you will knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, and then on the reverse, the same wrong side row as what we've done before, slip 1, knit 3, purl all the way across to the last 4, knit 4. And we'll continue doing that and working still on that slant until we are ready for section 5. And then section 5 is going to mirror section 1, except in reverse. So this is a short how-to video for this section. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I will see you at the end of section 4. See you later!